Hello everyone, in this video we will see what is SNS and how it works. So SNS is a simple notification service and it helps in delivering messages from publishers to subscribers. It is used by a number of organizations to send messages in bulk to a number of people, also known as campaign mailing. So we will see how all of this works in just a bit. So we are now going to go to the simple notification service. So that is under application and integration. I'm clicking on simple notification service. Right now we are in the Amazon SNS dashboard. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create a topic. So I'll click on topics and I'll create a topic. So topic is nothing but a communication channel to which you will be publishing messages to. So I'll create a topic now. So I'll name the topic updates in AWS console. So the display name is the same as the name, and you can leave rest everything as default, and we will be creating a topic. So the topic has been created. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to create subscriptions. So I'll click on create subscription, and here we have the Amazon resource name, and here we will give the type of endpoint to subscribe. So I'll set it as email. Now here you can either give an organization's email ID so that whenever a message is published, all of the members of the organization would receive that message at one go, or we can either give an individual's email ID. So I'll be giving my email ID just to show how SNS works. So I've given my email ID, and now I'm creating the subscription. So the subscription has been created. Now the next step I need to do is I need to go to the email, that is a Gmail, and I need to confirm the subscription. Okay, so here I have gotten an mail from Amazon. So here I'll click confirm subscription. So the subscription has been confirmed. So now I'll be receiving messages that are published to this topic. So yeah, so the subscription has been confirmed. Now I'll go back to the topics, and here I'll publish a message. So yeah, so the message would be latest updates in console. So yeah, then we will write the message that we want to type here. The message body is set up. You can so the message attributes are nothing but any metadata that you would like to attach to the message, but as of now we don't need any metadata, so I'll remove that. Now I'll click on publish message. So message published to the topic. Okay, so since I have confirmed the subscription to this particular topic and the message has been published just now, so I'll be receiving an email to my inbox. So here you see I just received an email saying that updates in AWS console, and here is exactly the body that we have just typed in that particular section. So like this you can create number of subscriptions, and whenever you want to publish a message, you publish the message to that particular topic, and at one go, if there are 100 subscriptions created or 1000 subscriptions created, they would receive that message within seconds, or say from the time you just publish. So that's pretty much it for this video. I Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.